We did not come to fear the future. We came here to shape it. The future rewards those who press on. I don't have time to feel sorry for myself. I don't have time to complain. I'm going to press on. In the end, that's what this election is about. Do we participate in a politics of cynicism? Or do we participate in a politics of hope? Change is the law of life, and those who look only to the past or present are certain to miss the future. I am inspired by the people I meet every day, and I am inspired by the story of America. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. You can't just keep doing what you've been doing and expect a different result. The time has come for our generation to lead the way, to take the reins of history, and meet the challenges of the future with hope and courage. Success is the result of hard work, learning from failure, loyalty, and persistence. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Success is not about how much money you make. It's about the difference you make in people's lives. You can't let your failures define you. You have to let your failures teach you. We are the change that we seek. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. If you're walking down the right path and you're willing to keep walking, eventually you'll make progress. What we do echoes through the generations. The future rewards those who press on. I don't have time to feel sorry for myself. I don't have time to complain. I'm going to press on.